Nobody taught me this rule, and I didn't learn it in school. I didn't learn it from television. I definitely didn't learn it from most financial advice that's out there. I discovered it by making mistakes. The rule is simple. Every dollar can only do one thing. You can spend it or you can recruit it. Most people spend their dollars again and again and again. The money arrives, the money leaves, and the cycle repeats forever. So I spent years doing exactly that. Then I began looking at money very differently. What if every dollar could become an employee? What if instead of leaving forever, it could return with friends? That's what assets do. Assets recruit money. Expenses consume money. The difference sounds small, but over years, the results become pretty enormous. And that's why two people can earn similar incomes and end up with completely different lives. One person buys consumption, the other buys production. One person's money disappears, the other person's money starts multiplying. That simple rule changed the way I see every financial decision. And once you see it, it's difficult to unsee it.